Have you ever stayed too long in a toxic friendship? Well, ako hindi. Like, siguro yun nga, yung experience na yun nung high school ako, parang sobrang tumatak sa akin yun na nade-detect ko agad kapag toxic yung friendship. Like, I would still be friends with you.
Yeah.
Pero, I'll draw clear boundaries
Yeah.
to a point na hindi mo matatouch yung peace ko inside. Like, kasi mayroong friends na ganito, na parang they would make you doubt yourself. Like, talaga, ginagawa mo yan? Parang, is there something wrong with me? This is my choice. Like,
Yes.
ito yung, okay, can you just like respect the way I respect your choices? Di ba parang ganun? So, pag nakita ko na ganun yung tao, like I would, okay, sige, ganito siya. I respect that. But, I'll draw clear boundaries na I'll make sure sa sarili ko na once na may sabihin siyang anything that could parang me doubting myself, alam ko na yung how I would react to that person. Like, normally it's gonna be dead ma. Like, I would not engage at all. Siguro yun, to answer the question, kung nag-stay ako tulong in a toxic relationship, no. Parang mabilis ko na siya ma-detect. And then, I'll move forward to the other people.
Yes.
Basta, I'll just draw clear boundaries.
Correct,
Yun lang
correct.
siguro yung sa akin. Because that, yung experience ko ng grade 7 ako. Yeah. So, thank you din.
Ang dami, no?
Kasi dahil din doon, natuto ko agad na kung paano kumilatis ng tao.
Yes. Correct. And of course, you have to protect yourself. Yun, diba? From toxic people. Diba? Kasi you have to love yourself first.
Kaya konti kaibigan ko eh.
Yeah.
Like, same with you na we really choose our friends well, our crowd well. Parang, marami ako kilala. I'm very friendly, pero I consider myself as a friendly person. Pero, very limited yung core ko. Like, very few.
Yeah,
Yung talagang alam nila yung buong pagkatao ko. Yeah. Very, very choosy ako pag
Sa mga true friends. Yeah.
Yeah.
Same here.
ibang level kasi.
Yeah. Iba-ibang level ng friendships.
Ikaw, answer it.
No, hindi rin. Hindi rin actually. Kasi nga ayoko din ng conflict, 'di ba? Kilala mo naman ako. Ayoko ng conflict, no? So, syempre nasasaktan ako if every time, not every time, nung time na meron tayong mga toxic friends. But then again, sabi mo nga, 'di ba? You've learned how to set clear boundaries, no, when it comes to those kind of people. So, ganun din ako. No, I tend to disconnect talaga.
Sa'yo, disconnect talaga.
Yeah, disconnect
Hindi
talaga.
disconnect.
No, disconnect.
Alright, burn pala to.
Disconnect, oo. Pero, of course, disconnect in a way na wala yung galit.
Yeah.
Peaceful lang. I choose my, I've learned how to choose my battles then.
That's
And protect my peace. My peace.
Meron pa tayong toxic na friend? Parang wala.
Pero wala nga eh. Toxic.
Nakaibigan ko.
Kilala mo kung sino ka. Charot.
Oo, yung sabi magbablog kami. Tapos hanggang ngayon,
Asa
search
na?
na.
Busy.
Hindi, we love you.
Hindi ako masyado naging toxic friend. Ako yata yung toxic.
May pocket.
Ako yata yun. Pero walang toxic. Wala masyadong toxic. Siguro yun nga, iba-ibang level ng friends, no? Toxic people,
Parang
pwede.
agad natin. Okay, toxic to, ayoko sa'yo. Hindi naman sa ayoko sa'yo, pero just don't near me.
Distansya muna.
Yeah. Parang mabilis natin ma-sense agad.
Yes, correct.
The way they talk, the way Yung parang, yun nga,
Mangungutang na ng ano. So,
putang na pala.
ay, wala din eh. Sorry.
Ayun,
Okay,
excuse me.
black. Joke lang. Joke lang. Ah,